Exposing the real Makera Z1 experience, beyond the Kickstarter buzz. Is this the best desktop CNC for 2026, or does it just look pretty on your workbench? Here's the truth, straight from my hands-on review. First up, the hardware. The Z1 is built like a tank, solid cast aluminum, precise to 0.02 millimeters, and no wobbles, even when cutting aluminum or carbon fiber. The Makera Studio software? Actually beginner-friendly, with smart wizards that do the heavy lifting on setup. Plus, an integrated camera and dust system keep your workspace and your sanity intact. But it's not perfect. If you're an early adopter, expect a few software bugs and a camera that sometimes naps on the job. And the work area? Think small but mighty, not build a boat. Still, for under $200, the Z1 is a killer choice if you want pro features without a PhD in CNC. If you crave big builds or production-level power, maybe hold out for the Z1 Pro.